Guide to your own superior video classroom better than Zoom and Google Meet. This is your own classroom customized web portal with your domain name, and your logo will be there, and everything will be on your school server, hosted on a school server. I'll give the technical part as well. So here teachers can sign up first, like starting they can sign up, like here I done the sign up, giving email ID and password. Email ID will be the username to login, and the password will be their password. Once they log in, now the admin need to take action. They are normal user initially. At the entry level, the admin need to change as a teacher. Once admin update as a teacher, they can see this home room, and they can edit this home room as their name. Here is Suresh is the teacher, so Suresh classroom. So every teacher will get one default room and one they can create. So every teacher will get two classrooms. Okay, I'll tell you the scheduling part of the classes. So you need to open MyTheta Teacher app. Why this MyTheta Teacher app? To schedule your classes so that students will know over there. So no need to use any WhatsApp, so that is not organized. In MyTheta application everything is organized, so you'll get to know about it when you start using it. So once you logged in, you can see this room, home room, and you click on this, and you can go to online classes over here and schedule a class. So start time, end time you can give. So I want to settle 12. End time of the class is 1 hour classes, let's say. So once you can store class wise, you can add your classes over here, like in my case 1A, and link. It will ask you the link. Okay, for link you have to go to your classroom that you created. So this is the link. You just click on copy, it will copy it. Okay, that's it, nothing, and paste the link over here. Okay, here you can paste the link, and subject what you want to teach. I'm probably teach math, and what do you want to, inside the subject what do you want to teach, equation. Okay, then click on schedule a class to schedule. That's it. Once it's done, you can see the message will send to the parents, and as well as you get a message from the school. See, okay. And when you want to start a class, you can click on this and click on join, and you can click on start. Make sure every time you start the class before 5 minutes of the starting of the class, so that everyone can join. So once it will get into your Chrome and here the class is started, you choose microphone to connect your microphone. It will take into the echo test. Within 10 seconds the test will be over and will connected with your microphone. Okay, it almost done. Yes, click on yes. So this is a whiteboard. It is also customized. You can put your logo, everything over here, and on the topmost you click on the user button. You can see all the users. I'll do a detailed video about this features and all, and click on start recording. It will start the recording. Where you teaching important, you can start the recording. When you are not teaching important, then you pause the recording. Okay, so this is everything is customized on this whiteboard. Okay, and these are tools to write. I'll do a detailed video about that, how to manage your meetings or classes. Okay, now when your students join, you can see students webcam over top, and in your whiteboard you can write and teach them. This is the interactive whiteboard, while student can also write if you give them permission. So here you can see 4 users are connected, including the teacher, and here you can hand tool and click on the next slide. You can write over here. You can draw a straight line, and you can change the color. You can draw a triangle as well. Okay, it's a rectangular. Okay, you can change the color as well, and draw a rectangular. These are all the things tools are available, and can click on delete to erase everything. So the webcams and the whiteboard is recorded. So this is the recording is going on. So you can use this important tools while teaching. So I'll tell you next how your recordings is stored. So recording is stored after 20 to 30 minutes after the teaching. Here is the recordings, which is unlisted, means it's not public. You have to share the link. It's why if the students with the link can access this recording. So here you click on this presentation. to see this, and hold this presentation and just copy link address. Click on copy link address. So that's it, link has been copied. So you have to now open your MyTheta Teacher app. So you have already scheduled the class for your classroom. So you have to go to this menu and active classes. So this is your class which is you have scheduled. You just click on this stop button to stop the class, and it will ask you have any recordings or link to show the student. So you have just click on this and paste your link which is you just copied. Okay, and just click on stop. Yeah, you have done it. So now your parents, students will be notified this is your recordings link attached to that class. Okay, it's very simple and very easy to use also. Thank you so much. Let's talk about the technical part. What is the server part? For a 100 students concurrent classes, 16 GB RAM, 8 core processor server is required. For 500 students, 64 GB, 16 core processor server is required. To storing your recordings, 1 TB SSD storage space required for storing 14 days. Google Cloud is the best cloud server to host these meetings.